E-learning is one of the rapidly growing industries globally, and the pandemic situation has led to a shift of education from traditional classroom teaching to conducting online classes. E-learning has changed the landscape of education drastically with the evolution of technology. Creating various e-learning courses is just half the work. The main step is to promote your e-learning courses to those who can truly benefit from them and make your business profitable. Businesses use various marketing strategies to promote their products or services, and email marketing is one of the great channels for digital marketing of companies. For email marketing to be effective, businesses need to use various strategies and tactics. Many marketers believe that email marketing has 4 times the return of investment, ROI, compared to other marketing channels and, therefore, is considered a must-use channel for marketing. Tips for effective email marketing to promote e-learning courses. The following are few email marketing tips that help you promote your e-learning courses. Create valuable content. One of the best approaches to email marketing is to create content that is valuable for your readers. Marketers need to use this approach for email marketing of e-learning courses. Marketers need to create a goal for the campaign by keeping in mind who the target audience is, and spend time on subject lines and write a compelling email copy. Sometimes comprehensive email builder can also be used to outline the email. However, including elements of personalization and excellent imagery are vital steps to create an email with valuable content that suits your campaign. Invest in email marketing tool. Email marketing software needs to be used to promote your e-learning courses. Marketers can invest or sign up for any email marketing software or tool to reach a wider audience with minimal effort and get a higher ROI. An email marketing tool is useful for business expansion as well as attracting potential customers. It can help nurture leads, use personalized strategies to increase sales, and help effectively build your brand online. Create lead magnets. A lead magnet is a valuable resource for marketers to offer an audience in exchange of their contact information. Visitors can easily exchange their email ID and contact information when they find a resource on your website that is valuable. One of the great ways to capture leads and send emails is to use lead magnets relevant to your course. This helps to pitch up your e-learning courses. Advertise in your emails. Every single email sent by you is an opportunity to grow your customers. Email advertising refers to the process of sending emails with promotional content related to your courses to the targeted customers. However, marketers need to gain the permission of the prospective customers by providing them with an option to opt in before sending them promotional emails. Join social media platforms. One of the great ways to promote your online course is to join social media groups no matter what the topic is. There are various groups on social media platforms related to your topic. Finding and joining the groups relevant to your topic is critical. It is vital to understand how things work, and adding value to the forum is essential to get accepted by the community. Once a solid relationship is built, it is time for the marketers to share content by adding links to the forum's profile to promote your website. Pre-launch your course. Another key tip for the email marketing of your e-learning course is the pre-launch. This process refers to letting people show interest in your course even before it is launched. It is a great tactic used by marketers to validate the idea of the course to the target audience and make any adjustments if required and get the most valuable subscribers for your online course. The tips mentioned above helps marketers create emails in order to promote their e-learning courses. Conclusion. Email marketing helps organizations create an irresistible sales pitch for their e-learning courses. Therefore, businesses need to use a strategic approach in their email marketing campaign to promote their e-learning courses by creating a series of attractive emails to build subscribers and turn prospective leads into potential customers. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.